Good morning students. Earlier we have done introductory part of lines and angles. Now we will start exercise 6.1. So what we will do first, we have to make the figure of this question, because we have to make the figure. We can find the answer with the help of figure. So we have to make the figure first. So first figure is, it is given that AB this is CD, sorry, D point is this CD, and this is OE. So students, this is the figure. This is already COD, the straight line. Here AOB is also a straight line, and OE is given that. So the first question is, if angle AOC plus angle BOE. Question number 1 is angle AOC plus angle BOE. It is given that 70 degree, and angle BOD. Angle BOD means this angle, it is given that 40 degree. Now what we have to find? We have to find angle BOE and reflex angle COE. So students, what we will do first? So we will start with what we have given. AOC plus angle BOE. It means this is angle AOC plus angle BOE. The sum of these two angles is given that 70 degree. Now, and angle BOD. Angle BOD, it is given that 40 degree. This angle is 40 degree. Students, we have to find angle BOE first. BOE first. How we can find it? Student, look at here. It is given that angle AOC. देखिए AOC प्लस एंगल BOE, इन दोनों का सम कितना दिया हुआ है आपको 70 डिग्री. बट एंगल BOD भी आपको कितना दिया हुआ है 40 डिग्री. अभी मैंने आपको इससे पहले बताया था, when two line intersect each other, these angles are called vertically opposite angles. Means these angles will be equal to each other. So if this angle is 40 degree, it means this angle is also 40 degree. Right? We can find easily BOE, because the sum of these two angles, it is given that 70 degree. So what we will write first? Here angle BOD, we can write angle BOD is equal to angle AOC is equal to 40 degree. We can write it here vertically opposite angle. We have to write it like this. हमें ऐसा लिखना पड़ता है कि ये कौन सा एंगल है करके, वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल. तो दिस एंगल इज 40 डिग्री. इट मीन्स वी हैव टू फाइंड एंगल BOE. BOE मीन्स, सपोज दिस इज इक्वेशन नंबर 1. पुट इन इक्वेशन 1 बाय इक्वेशन 1 एंगल AOC 40 डिग्री प्लस एंगल BOE इज इक्वल टू 70 डिग्री. सो इट मीन्स एंगल BOE इज इक्वल टू 70 minus 40. That means this is 30 degree. So angle BOE, we have find that this angle is 30 degree, because these two are vertically opposite angles, 40 and 40 degree, and the sum of these two angles, it is given that 70 degree. We have to put here 40 degree. So what we will get? Angle BOE is equal to 30 degree. Now another question is, we have to find reflex angle COE. So to find reflex angle COE, first we have to find angle COE. What is angle COE here? We can say that AOB is a straight line. It means this angle will be of how many degree? 180 degree. So we have to find angle COE. So we can say that here AOB is a straight line. So the sum of this angle is 180 degree. So angle, we can say that angle AOC plus angle, what we have to find? Angle COE plus angle BOE is equal to 180 degree. Because this is a straight line, we know that the sum of angle sum property of a straight line is 180 degree. So here we know that the sum of these two angle is, here it is given that 70 degree plus angle COE is equal to 180 degree. So it means students, angle COE is equal to 180 minus 70, that is 110 degree. Now students, one thing is that it is, we have to find reflex angle of COE. Reflex angle means we know that the reflex angle lies between 180 and 360 degree. So here the angle we have find is 110 degree. जब कभी भी आपसे रिफ्लेक्स एंगल पूछा जाए तो आप क्या करेंगे उसको, क्योंकि ये रिफ्लेक्स एंगल नहीं है, तो हम रिफ्लेक्स एंगल फाइंड करने के लिए व्हाट वी विल डू, वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट इट विद 360 डिग्री. सो यू कैन राइट रिफ्लेक्स एंगल COE is equal to 360 minus 110 degree, that means 250 degree. So students, अगर उसने यहाँ पे पूछा होता है कि only you have to find angle COE, so this answer is right, 110 degree. But we have to find reflex angle COE. यहाँ पे reflex angle पूछा गया है, so what we will do, we have to subtract it with 360 degree. So students, this is the first question. Now pause the video and you can note it down this question in your classwork notebook. So students, now second question is, in figure 6.12 lines XY and MN intersect at O. So make the figure first. In this question student, we have to make figure first, because after making figure we can find the answers easily. It is given that this point is P, this is X, this is Y, and this angle it is given that 90 degree, and is like this. This point is M, this point is M. This angle is A, this angle is B, and this angle is C. Now student, what we have to find? And the ratio of angle POY, it is given that 90 degree. So what we can write first? We can write given. In this question, what is given? Angle POY is equal to 90 degree, and A ratio B is equal to, it is given that 2 ratio 3. Now student, we have to find angle C. How we can find angle C? We can do it like this. So we can write it to find angle C here. So what we will do first? Student, these are in the ratio. So how we can solve the ratio? We know that A ratio B means we can write it A is equal to 2x and B is equal to 3x. This point is I think O. Angle X. So XOY is a straight line. Again, what we can do here? Angle here XOY is a straight line. So we know that the sum of the angle of a straight line is 180 degree. So we can write it 90 degree plus angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree, because this is a straight line. So we can write it this plus this is equal to 180 degree. So students, here A is equal to 2x. Sorry, this is angle. We have written angle C and B now. Angle A and B. Here angle A is 2x plus angle B is 3x is equal to 180 degree. Now we can solve it. 3 plus 2 5x plus 90 is equal to 180 degree. So 5x is equal to 90 will go there. It will become minus 180 minus 90 is equal to 90. So students, 5x is equal to 90 means x is equal to 90 by 5. 5 1 ja 5, 5 8 ja 40. So we have find x is equal to 18. So here we have to find angle C. Now students, again look at here MON. Here we can say that MON is a straight line, but we can find the angle first. So angle A is equal to, we have written 2x. It means 2 into 18, that is 36, and angle B is equal to 3 into x, that is 3 into 18 is equal to 54. Here students we have to find angle C. So here again MON is a straight line. Here MON is a straight line. So again the sum of these two angles will be 180 degree. So angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Again angle B we have find already. Angle B, the value of angle B is 54 degree, plus angle C we have to find 180. So angle C is equal to 180 minus 54, that is 10 minus 4 is 6 and 17 minus 5 is 12. So the value of angle C is 126 degree. So we can find it like this easily. Again you can understand XOY is a straight line. So the sum of these three angles will be 180 degree. We have written it here. Angle A, it is given that 2x. Angle B is equal to 3x. So what we have done, 2x plus 3x plus 90 is equal to 180 degree. So 5x plus 90 is equal to 180. It means 5x is equal to 90. So x is equal to 18 degree. Again we have to find angle A. Angle A, it is given that 2x. 2 into 18, 36. And angle B is equal to 54. Now the sum of these two angles will be 180 degree because MON is a straight line. So we can do it. Angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So it means angle B we have find 54 plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So angle C is equal to, students, 180 minus 54, that is 126 degree. Now pause the video and you can note it down. After this we will do the next question. Students, now the third question is, it is given that the figure, I have told you earlier that make the figure first for these types of questions. It is P, it is Q, it is R, and this is S, and this is T. Now students, we have to find now what they have given to us. So write down it first. Given angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ, and to prove angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. Yesterday it is given that angle, this one, angle PQR is equal to PRQ. ये आपको दिया हुआ है. These two angles are equal. Now student, we have to find angle. We have to find that ये वाला जो एंगल है आपका PQS is equal to this angle. I think आप लोगों को समझ में आ रहा होगा. What we can do, I have told you that this is a linear pair. एक लाइन बनेगी. The angle sum of these two angles is 180 degree. Similarly here, the sum of these two angles is 180 degree. What we will do after comparing these two equations, we will get the answer. So how we can do it? So write down proof. Here we can say that angle PQR plus angle PQS is equal to 180 degree. We can say that this is a linear pair. Question number 1. इन दोनों का सम कितना होगा? 180 डिग्री. सिमिलरली हेयर वी कैन राइट अगेन एंगल PRQ प्लस एंगल PRT इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. देखिए PRQ प्लस PRT, दिस इज ऑल्सो 180 डिग्री. दिस इज ऑल्सो लीनियर पेयर. इक्वेशन नंबर 2. What we will do now? We will compare equation number 1 and 2. Here students, right hand side this is equal, so we will write left hand side should be equal. On comparing equation 1 and 2, what we will get, देखिए राइट हैंड साइड इक्वल है तो किसी इक्वेशन की तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड भी क्या हो जाती है? इक्वल हो जाती है. सो वी कैन राइट एंगल PQR प्लस एंगल PQS is equal to angle PRQ plus angle PRT. These two sides will be equal. Now student, what we have given that PQR is equal to PRQ. यहाँ पे आपका PQR लिखा हुआ है, वहाँ पे PRQ लिख सकते हैं. Again given angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. What we will do now, here the equation is PQR. What we will write? PQR को हम कितना लिख सकते हैं? Angle PRQ plus angle PQS is equal to angle PRQ plus angle PRT. देखिए PRQ is cancelled out, so what is left here? Angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. At last we will write hence proved. This is very easy question. We have to हमें क्या करना है इसमें? खाली लीनियर पेयर की कंसेप्ट लगाना है एंड वी हैव टू प्रूव इट. लेफ्ट एंड राइट हैंड साइड आर इक्वल, सो वी कैन राइट इट. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इज ऑल्सो इक्वल. वट इट इज गिवन? पी क्यू आर इज इक्वल टू पी आर क्यू दिया हुआ है, तो हमने यहाँ पे क्या रखा? पी क्यू आर की जगह पे पी आर क्यू पुट कर दिया. सो पी आर क्यू एंड पी आर क्यू इज कटेड डाउन. सो वट इज लेफ्ट? एंगल पी क्यू आर इज इक्वल टू एंगल पी आर टी. हैंस प्रूव्ड. स्टूडेंट नाउ note it down this question also. Now the question number 4 is again given है आपको कितना? x plus y is equal to w plus z. We have to prove that. First these things we have to write. First one is given, and then after to prove, and then after prove, and then when we will prove it, we will write at the last answer hence proved. So we have to prove that AOB is a line. Now again figure is given. This one, so this is like this. Student, this point is A, this point is B, this point is C, this point is D. Now value, this is X, this is Y, this is Z, and this is W. Now students, we have to prove it that AOB, ये जो पॉइंट O है, AOB क्या है? आपकी स्ट्रेट लाइन है और आपको गिवन क्या है? x plus y is equal to w plus z. It is very easy question. You can do it like this. Prove. Here we can say that angle x plus angle y plus angle z plus angle w, इसको हम 360 कह सकते हैं, because this is a complete angle. Complete angle की जो वैल्यू होती है वो कितनी होती है? 360 डिग्री. So what we can write here? x plus y plus z plus w is equal to 360 डिग्री. We can write it complete angle. जैसे आपका हाफ एंगल होता है तो 180 का होता है, ऐसे ही पूरा अगर कंप्लीट एंगल हम लेकर के चलते हैं सेंटर पे, तो दिस इज आवर 360 डिग्री. सो व्हाट वी विल डू? इट इज गिवन दैट x plus y is equal to w plus z. Now put the value of w plus z is here. We can say that x plus y is equal to 360 degree, because you can write x plus y is equal to w plus z. It is given. So what we will do? x plus y plus x plus y. How many x are here? 2. And how many y are here? 2. So we can say that 2 into x plus y. We have taken 2 common, 360 डिग्री. 2 से कट कर दीजिए इसको 180. So x plus y is equal to 180 डिग्री. देखिए x प्लस वाई, एंगल x प्लस एंगल y का सम कितना है? 180 डिग्री. अभी मैंने आपको बताया था कि कोई लाइन का अगर सम ऐसा होता है, सपोज एंगल आपका x है, y है, इन दोनों का सम अगर 180 डिग्री है, तो इट मीन्स इट इज़ अ लाइन. सो वी कैन से दैट सो AOB इज अ स्ट्रेट लाइन. Understood students? This is a very easy question. You can use the concept of complete angle. और जो आपको दिया हुआ है x plus y equal to w plus z, either you can put x plus y की जगह आप w plus z भी रख सकते थे. So यहाँ से भी लाइन आ जाती है वो भी. तो आफ्टर ऑल वी हैव टू फाइंड दैट x plus y is equal to 180 डिग्री. either W plus Z is equal to 180 degree. So it means AOB is a straight line. Yes, students, now note it down. These are the very important questions of lines and angles. Students, now we are doing question number 5. Question number 5. First, we have to draw the figure. This point is P, this point is Q, and this is R. This is already given that 90 degree, and this point is S. This point is O. This figure is given in your book, and we have to find now what is given. That given you can write that POQ is a line and OR is perpendicular to PQ. ये जो OR है perpendicular है PQ पे, क्योंकि 90 डिग्री का एंगल बनाना है. Now what we have to prove? Students, we have to prove that angle ROS is equal to half of, ये आपका ROS is equal to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. So student, how we can solve it? इस क्वेश्चन को स्टूडेंट सॉल्व करने का एक तरीका है. व्हाट वी हैव टू फाइंड. देखिए हमें क्या फाइंड करना है, ROS फाइंड करना है और हमें एंगल QOS भी फाइंड करना है. सो व्हाट वी विल डू, अगर हम यहाँ पे ले लेते हैं कि एंगल QOS प्रूफ, सो द वैल्यू ऑफ एंगल QOS विल बी, कितना हो जाएगा एंगल QOS, वी कैन राइट इट एंगल ROQ QOS किसका सम होगा, एक एंगल ROQ होगा प्लस एंगल ROS. We can write it like this. It is understood that we have to find angle QOS. हमें QOS फाइंड करना है क्योंकि जो चीज़ हमने प्रूव करनी है we have to solve it first. तो QOS will be the sum of ROQ plus angle ROS. Now again student, if this angle is 90 degree, so it means this angle is also 90 degree because this is a linear pair. So we can say that हम यहाँ पे क्या कर सकते हैं, एंगल POR is equal to what we can write, कितना हो जाएगा आपका एंगल ROS प्लस एंगल POS. अंडरस्टूड स्टूडेंट, बिकॉज एंगल POR ये किसका सम होगा, इस एंगल का और इस एंगल का सम होगा. नाउ अभी हमने क्या कहा था आपसे, सिंस ROQ प्लस एंगल कितना हो जाएगा POR इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री, बिकॉज दिस फॉर्म अ स्ट्रेट लाइन. सो वी कैन फाइंड दैट. तो POR की ROQ की जगह पे आप कितना ले सकते हैं, 90 डिग्री. सो एंगल POR इज इक्वल टू कितना हो जाएगा आपका 90 डिग्री. या फिर स्टूडेंट आप ये काम और कर सकते हैं कि सीधे सीधे यहाँ से जो POR की वैल्यू है, POR जो है आपका, आप देखिए POR इज इक्वल टू किसके बराबर है, एंगल ROQ के. ये है आपका एंगल ROQ. तो यहाँ से POR की वैल्यू पुट करके किस में कर दीजिए, इक्वेशन नंबर 1 में, बिकॉज POR इज इक्वल टू किसके बराबर है, एंगल ROQ के. अब POR इज इक्वल टू ROQ आप यहाँ पे पुट कर दीजिए. सो वी कैन से दैट बाय, इसको इक्वेशन 1 ले लीजिए, इसको इक्वेशन 2, बाय इक्वेशन 1 एंड 2 क्या हो जाएगा आपका. देखिए एंगल QOS को हमें फाइंड करना ही है. अब देखिए स्टूडेंट्स, एंगल ROQ अभी हमने निकाला है, एंगल ROQ इज इक्वल टू एंगल POR. तो POR की वैल्यू कितनी है आपकी, देखिए एंगल ROS प्लस एंगल POS, और यहाँ पर का भी एक एंगल और बचा हुआ है आपका, प्लस एंगल ROS. वी कैन डू इट लाइक दिस. पहले आप ये वाला एंगल ले लीजिए, देन आफ्टर यू कैन टेक दिस एंगल इक्वल टू दिस एंगल. ऑलरेडी वी नो दैट, बट वी हैव प्रूव्ड इट हियर कि ये भी इसकी वैल्यू कितनी है, 90 डिग्री है. नाउ सॉल्व इट. एंगल QOS इज इक्वल टू ROS प्लस ROS, इट मीन्स ट्वाइस ऑफ एंगल ROS प्लस एंगल POS. We can say that twice of angle ROS is equal to angle QOS minus angle POS. So we can say angle ROS is equal to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. You can prove it like this. Do it 1 or 2 times. जब आप इसको 2-3 बार कर लेंगे तो you can find the answer easily, because this is the proven questions. Prove करने वाले questions में we have to make any of the techniques. So what we will do it here. हमने क्या लिया, जो हमें आंसर्स फाइंड करना है, we have to find this answer. So we have proved it like this. So this is, we can write at the last, I told you, hence proved. Angle QoS minus angle POS. Students, now do these questions in your classwork notebook, and one question is left, question number 6. Try it yourself, and then after we will start exercise 6.2 and do these questions again and again. You have to revise these questions again and again, because ये क्या है आपके, these types of questions are in the form of, and these are the proven questions. We have to prove it, so we have to find it. So this ये fifth question is very very important for exam point of view also, and first, second, third question are very very easy question, and you have to do in your classwork notebook and revise it and practice it again and again. Thank you.